The world is evolving really fast and changing in the advent outburst of AI. Everyone has probably heard about AI. I'm just going to share 5 skills to help you navigate your way around what's happening. And I hope this video is going to be helpful to you. So, for further ado, let's go. You see, guys, the digital world is changing really fast. The first skill on my list is AI literacy. Everywhere you look now is AI. And I've been advocating for AI. And honestly, I never thought it was going to be this fast, but I'm very excited to witness the growth of AI. Now, AI has been around for a very long time. AI literacy is very important in all sectors right now. I'm not just talking about chatting with ChatGPT. I'm talking about understanding how to use AI tools for healthcare, education, music, film. I mean, it's a very broad spectrum. And AI literacy will help you understand how to navigate your way around this evolving market. The number 2 is content creation. Your online presence matters a lot today. If you look at the recent update from the United States saying you need to leave your social media on so they can use that to evaluate if you're suitable to come into the country. I mean, this is just a tip of the iceberg to let you realize how important it is for everybody to be on social media. I'm not saying everyone should do content creation. There are other things you can do behind the scenes. People are doing content. I think making content means they're going to be rich overnight. And that is not true. The whole point of content creation is so that you can have what they call digital assets. Digital assets would help you grow over time. It's like compound interest of a thing. You create content even though you don't see the money, even though you don't have the views, you don't have the likes, but you keep creating anyway because the world is going to need your story. It's going to need your own perception of reality. Content creation is another skill I think you should learn. A lot of people have problem with this, and I understand because there's a lot of technicalities that go with content creation. But at the end of the day, it's worth learning. And this is the number 2 skill I think everyone should learn in the year 2026. So the number 3 is data and analytics. So the number 3 is data and analytics, which is the process of examining raw data to make smarter decisions for your businesses. A lot of companies are willing to hire you and pay you good money for them to have you on board. The number 4 skill I would advise you to learn today is no code and automation. A couple of years ago, if you needed to design a website or if you needed to work on a mobile app, you would pay a lot of money to programmers, developers. Today, thanks to AI, you can be on top of your bed, you can be in the kitchen, you could be in the toilet and actually build a mobile app. How crazy is that? A lot of people don't still know how to use these tools, and a lot of people don't even know where to start. They don't even understand what's going on right now. But I'm just here to tell you that if you can learn the no-code tools and automation tools, you're not only going to add value to yourself, but you're also going to be able to add value to your own business. Understanding and learning the skill is just a win-win. It will help you execute things faster. Decision making will be way faster, which is not the way it used to be before. But now, thanks to AI, it's been rapid and fast building mobile apps than ever before. And I'm pretty excited about the future and what is to come. The number 5 skill I would advise anybody today to take is digital communication and branding. How you present your ideas and build your personal brand online is very important. If you're an artist, a musician, an actor, a writer, a painter, how you present your work and how you speak to your audience is very important. AI could help you organize your tone, your messaging, organize your identity, your brand identity, organize so many things for you. Like, you don't need a full team. You don't need an agency to do simple tasks. Now, with a click of a button, you can have a full team executing orders in less than a second. Or let's just say a couple of seconds so I don't exaggerate the outcome. You don't really need to learn everything, okay? At the end of the day, you just have to pick one, master one skill, go deep, and become very valuable. Learn how to adapt quickly because the world is a very fast-paced world today. So you need to make sure you adapt real quick on anything you're doing today. I hope this video is going to help you make better decisions for your brand and for your business. So peace out. See you guys another time.